The actor suing his ex-wife Amber Heard for $50 million over an op-ed she wrote about domestic abuse. Trial resumes on Monday. Amy here with the latest. Good morning, Amy.
Hey, good morning, George. Amber Heard laid out her allegations of abuse in painstaking detail last week. And now Johnny Depp's lawyers are looking to take apart those claims on cross-examination. And they could also call on a high-profile witness to bolster his case.
This is the most painful and difficult thing I've ever gone through.
This morning, actors Amber Heard and Johnny Depp preparing for the next round of their courtroom clash. 36-year-old Heard heading back to the stand on Monday after testifying last week that Depp physically abused her on multiple occasions.
I remember just trying to get up so I could breathe, so I could tell him that he was really hurting me.
Heard claiming her ex-husband physically and sexually assaulted her, allegations he denies, and is prepared to fight when his team cross-examines Heard on Monday. In a statement obtained by ABC News, Depp's spokesperson calling Heard's testimony the performance of her life and promising their cross-examination will certainly highlight the many fallacies Ms. Heard has now attempted to pass off as fact. Heard's team firing back, saying one of her disappointments is Mr. Depp's inability to distinguish fact from fiction. As her side prepares to call Depp, Heard's sister Whitney, and actress Ellen Barkin to the stand.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Barkin, who starred in Ocean's 13 and dated Depp in the 90s, testified in a previous trial that Depp once threw a wine bottle toward her in a hotel room, something he denies. Legal experts are also watching to see whether another of Depp's exes, supermodel Kate Moss, could be called as a witness after Heard named Moss during testimony.
I just, in my head, instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
Heard referring to a rumor that Depp pushed Moss down the stairs. Legal experts say now Depp could call on Moss to clear his name and help his case, which is why his attorney was seen smiling and fist-pumping after Moss's name was said.
Amber opened the door to that potential testimony. They can now bring Kate to testify, assuming she's prepared and willing to testify on his behalf, that this wasn't true. This didn't happen.
Heard and Depp, who are currently locked in a bitter legal battle, were seen making eye contact before court broke last week. That moment getting reaction online as millions tune in to watch every moment. And Heard will be back on the stand on Monday morning, and the trial is scheduled to last 2 more weeks, George.
Okay, Amy, thanks. Let's bring in our chief legal analyst, Dan Abrams. Was it a mistake to bring up Kate Moss?
Yeah, it now means that they can potentially call Kate Moss. I mean, typically you're not allowed to bring in someone to say something didn't happen or this person's really a really good person. But now that she's made reference to a specific incident, it is possible that they could call her. And it's sort of like a penalty in sports, meaning they violated something. Now we have an opportunity to try and kind of make that up.
And the court's been on a week-long recess. Which side benefits the most from that?
Huge advantage for Johnny Depp's team because Amber Heard has now been testifying for 2 days. They now have a week to go through everything she said and prepare for cross-examination. This cross-examination is critical in connection with this case. I mean, if Johnny Depp's team can successfully portray Amber Heard as dishonest, inconsistent, that would be enormous for them. So being able to go through everything she said and prepare for the cross-examination was a huge advantage.
So is that their strategy? They should really just go in and do tick by tick by tick everything they do?
Every inconsistency is what they want to show. They're hoping that the jury may basically say, if we can't believe her on this, then maybe we can't believe what she was saying about the abuse either. That's a strategy lawyers use all the time. That is what they're going to try and do here, is try and show inconsistencies in her account, not just about the abuse itself, but about other issues in an effort to have the jury not believe her.
But is it enough for them to show that she's not believable in a defamation lawsuit?
No, but remember that Johnny Depp is the plaintiff here, right? So Johnny Depp has the burden to prove this. And so that puts her in a better position, and that's why it is going to be very important.
Okay.
Very important. All right, Dan. Thank you so much, as always.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.